हाय, आपका नाम क्या है?
होडोर।
आपने गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स देखा है?
होडोर।
आज आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं?
होडोर।
तो ये GOT आप लोग देखते हैं?
नहीं देखते बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
Do you guys watch Game of Thrones?
या श्योर।
Sure. तो ये GOT आखिर किस चिड़िया का नाम है?
GOT is like भाई and बहन।
GOT, I think it's one package where you have every single thing you can find on television.
The big game.
The big game. What do you think? What is Game of Thrones?
Hodor. I have no idea about it.
Describe GOT in 3 simple words.
Can I do that? Can I do that? War, sex and adventure, obviously. Weird stuff.
Weird stuff.
Yes, like brothers, sisters and
Brother sister का प्यार.
yes, pyar, which is weird but it's okay then. It's cool. Like it's 21st century so it's cool.
Murder, horse, and
Horse.
yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Hodor?
मुझे नहीं पता 3 words.
3 words. That's it. 3 simple words to describe GOT.
Action, fantasy, drama.
Hunger for power.
Hunger for power.
Lots of sex actually, and the mind games of Peter Baelish.
Nudity and war.
And war. Totally.
Yeah.
First one is
Blood.
the obscenity or sex scenes, and then the third one is the dark nature of the show.
If Game of Thrones was based in India, तो उसका नाम क्या होता?
Game of Thrones based in India. I think very difficult. बादशाहों का खेल.
बादशाह का खेल. Okay, fine. I'll give you that.
It should be something of Shadyantra, you know, like Indians are always about so much of politics and Shadyantra. The ultimate Shadyantra. IGT, India's Got Talent.
India's got talent.
वही कुछ एक होता. मर जावा मिट जावा.
I can imagine anything like Game of Thrones.
In Indian version.
You cannot imagine that.
No.
Mahabharata is actually more epic than Game of Thrones.
I don't want Game of Thrones happening in India. Like it will be so, you know, English serious. If they convert into Hindi, so much drama and all.
my God,
I don't
Telly
want
soap.
it to happen in India actually.
No, it's okay, Hodor.
Add the C with Hodor. No, Pankit, don't record it.
Game of Thrones in India is like it's not coming, nothing. I'm blank, like it's a void. Like there's nothing.
Not possible at
No,
all.
it will be like and like overexposures and like
Lots of
thunders
beats.
and like those expressions. No.
Which character of GOT do you relate the most to?
Tough question.
I think Tyrion.
Tyrion Lannister.
Why is that so?
I don't know because like people underestimate him. So everyone gets underestimated once in a while. So you can relate. Things that go through his mind always goes through us as well.
He is actually like an underdog. छोटा है मगर talent बहुत है.
Talent बहुत.
I relate to Jon Snow.
I've seen his face and he's kind of sexy.
Oh, you like Jon Snow. Everybody likes Jon Snow. Girls especially do like Jon Snow.
Arya Stark probably.
Arya Stark. Why is that so?
Because I like her character. She's strong. Like even when she's faced with difficulties, she holds on. She does not fear calling a spade a spade. She's a badass, complete badass, and I love that about her.
Peter Baelish.
Why is that?
He loves drama.
That girl in a white dress.
Is it because she has 3 dragons and you want that too?
Maybe.
Jon Snow has a direwolf. What's his name?
Forgot
You're
the
a
name.
GOT fan.
Forgot the name.
Hodor.
Oh shit. White.
Who remembers that? Tommy.
Tommy.
Who remembers that? I mean, who remembers that?
How can you not remember his direwolf? He's the most lovable creature of GOT.
No, actually, Khaleesi is the most lovable.
Jon Snow's direwolf. His name is Ghost.
Why are the Night Watch not allowed to have sex?
You should answer.
Because they cannot have sex, perhaps. Stamina कम हो जाएगा.
Stamina कम हो जाएगा.
It's like being a father at churches. Like you can't have sex and like bear babies. So I guess that's how it works. It's like the church.
Obviously, sex and all, girls especially deviates you the most.
You being a girl are saying this.
Yeah, because when boys are all alone, they don't have much to do without girls. That's why. Because it's like maybe they feel that sex distracts you from your duty, and it is like a border of our.
There's lots of banging going on in Game of Thrones, and only those people are, literally not allowed to have it.
उन्हें थोड़ा maintain करने के लिए, क्योंकि there is very much of sex scenes, so they want to keep a neutrality or not. I don't know.
Means that those sex scenes are actually part of the things, and they are very important. He says.
Yeah, they're very important because it's
Very important for you.
yeah, very important for most of us.
Who do you think is going to sit on the Iron Throne finally?
Jon.
I would like Jon Snow too.
We have our sympathies with the Starks.
Yeah, kind of.
Probably. Because he was wrongfully executed. I cried so much when Ned Stark died.
I want it to be Peter Baelish.
Peter Baelish, really?
I don't want it to be Daenerys. Anyone but Daenerys.
I think maybe it's going to be Jon.
Or Dany. Any of those two.
If you go with the public opinion, I think everybody would want Daenerys to sit on the public throne, but I think something really interesting would happen, and I think Jon Snow would be the writer's end. But again, Geo3 is not predictable.
I think it's going to be the Dragon Lady.
She's got dragons, man. Definitely she's gonna win.
Daenerys.
Why is that so?
She has 3 dragons,
She has
one of
3
which is
dragons.
going to turn into ice probably, like ice dragon. But still, she's going to win.
Spoilers.
Yeah.
Everybody is gonna throw you out. Hi guys. ये hodor क्या है? ये hodor. अगर आपको भी नहीं पता है तो what are you doing? Winter is here. Go watch it now. And जाने से पहले don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel Indian Bong.